Today I want to go over not necessarily a silhouette thing, but a computer thing in general, and that is screenshots. Too many times I have seen people post pictures. They're like, hey, how does this look? And it looks something like this, or it looks something like this. A phone and a computer screen don't always behave. And if you're using Silhouette Studio, you're obviously on a computer. Mac or PC, you're already on a computer. So I'm going to show you two easy ways to take a screenshot, post it to a group, so then people can actually see your project a little bit better, and you might end up getting better feedback out of it. First thing I'm going to show you is you come down here, and you're going to look for the Snipping tool. Snipping tool will open up a new window, and then all you have to do is click New, and then you see this plus sign. Well, that is what you're going to drag. You're going to left click and drag. So if you only want the design, if you want the whole screen, either or, say we'll just do the design here. So I'll left click, drag, and release. That gives you the image you can end up saving now. All you can do is File, Save As. Test. You can drop down, you can do it as a JPEG, you can do it as a GIF. We'll just do paint. And there you go. Now you can take that image. There's two ways you can do this. You can actually save that file. Drag it over. And it's ready to be posted. But what you can also do is with the snipping tool, say you need to just post it in a group, you're replying back to someone, you're showing somebody something. Well, you're able to actually just paste it in, because when you do the snipping tool, basically also copies the image automatically. So just right click and paste it in. Now, for whatever reason, you can't find the snipping tool. It's either not on your computer, you're using a Mac, which if you just Google, I don't have a Mac, I don't know Macs, I apologize. I did a quick search though. There is some hotkeys where Macs have built-in screenshots as well, but this one's geared towards Windows. If you want to single screen, this works great. All you have to do on your keyboard is hit print screen. Every keyboard's a little bit different. All I did, I just hit print screen. Nothing happened. But what you're able to do now is right click and paste in. If you're on a single monitor, this is great because it'll just take a screenshot of your entire screen. Now I use multiple monitors. So what I'll do here, I'll just show you in Silhouette. I use multiple monitors. So all I did was hit print screen, and then I could paste that right in. See, there's my 3 monitors that I got on right now. So if I want to show somebody this, all I would do is zoom in so it shows up nice and big, hit print screen, and then you're able to paste that right in. Control V, same as right click. You're able to paste it in. All right, you can see the Facebook page there. But since we did a copy, and then I can also now paste that in. So there's 2 ways, print screen and the snipping tool, to get a solid screenshot. This will hopefully greatly increase your chances of getting better help, because sometimes when we're dealing with lines in the program, if we come in and you're tracing something, you're like, I don't know if that's good. If there's small gaps here or the fuzziness of the phone to the computer screen, it doesn't always show up correctly. But by doing a screenshot, it's extremely clearer image. One thing I forgot to mention that you can do with the snipping tool is for example, I mess with the corner here, and you're not sure what happened. For whatever reason, you're like, could somebody explain why this section is screwing up? Well, there's this pen and a highlighter here. You click the pen, you have blue, red, black, depending on what's on your screen, but just go with red. And then you're able to draw directly on the image. You know, we can draw blue, red, black. And then there's also a highlighter. If the highlighter works, if it's text or for whatever reason. And then you're able to actually copy that image and paste that image with your edits on it. It's just a little bit extra that if you really need to point to something like, hey, it's right here. Any questions, comments, please feel free to leave them below. If you'd like to see more tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And as always, have a great week.